Productions.
Welcome back to another Pristine Productions here. And remember to hit me up on my website if you want to buy some of my latest dancehall packs, reggae packs, soca packs. We have it all here, including the Lion Reggae Drum Kit. You can pay through PayPal and also donate. So big up to all the fans up on YouTube that's supporting me. I'm also on Fiverr. And let's get down to the rhythm here. I'm gonna do today. We're gonna be talking about mixing afro beat, and I'm gonna show you how we slice things up and make it good. Now remember, if you want to, if you want me to mix and master for you, I do mix and mastering service. You can order custom rhythms. If you want me to build a special rhythm for you, I can do that for a reasonable fee. Remember, all my sample packs are royalty free, so you can buy them, you can use them in your production and stuff. But let's get right down into it. So first thing is first here, I have a synth line moving here. So what I want to do is take a little bit of process here, you know, I'll use a little bit of GTR. Create some space and width here. If I turn it off, sounds too clean. Sometimes you gotta dirty up stuff a little bit. So that's what I'm doing here, using a little bit of, you know, harmonic distortion. You want to make sure you have a nice melody line. And then I came up with the kick drums here, which is almost like soca. So this is how it goes. I have the kick there, and then I'm gonna bring in the hats. Nothing special going on there. Then I have the, where is it? I think I have two hats here. So I have a rim shot going there, along with another snare drum. And also I have a bass line moving. And that's the basic rhythm flow of the afro beat there. Putting a little bit of lead. And I have another drum. Let's bring in the sample. And what I'm doing here is I'm EQing a little bit of old, kind of old drum. Using a little bit of the API here with the waves. Off. On. You want to make sure you enhance. Use a bit of CLA 76 here. So I'm gonna leave it there, guys. And that's how you make the Afro beat. Remember, you can buy my rhythms here on Pristine Productions. Also, you can pick up my reggae EP as well. So on Spotify, iTunes, all the major outlets. Message me on my website. You can email me down here as well. So I'm going to catch you guys on the next one.